Hi, I'm Patrick, Global CEO at ECLEVA, and this is my AI avatar. If your team is asking, where do we start with AI? This message is for you. We're in an era where AI can transform the way we work, boosting productivity, reducing manual effort, and unlocking real business value. But many organizations I talk to tell me the same thing. We know AI matters, we just don't know where it fits in our business. Sound familiar? That's exactly why we created the ECLEVA AI Use Case Discovery Workshop, a free expert-guided 2-hour session purpose-built to help your team move beyond theory and identify practical high-value AI opportunities tailored to your business priorities without technical pre-work. During the workshop, we'll start by giving your team a clear understanding of how AI is being used today, including live demonstrations of AI in action and real-world examples of how organizations are driving value using tools like Microsoft Copilot, Power Platform, and Dynamics 365. From there, we'll work with your team to uncover key business challenges, collaboratively prioritize what matters most, and map those challenges to actionable AI and automation opportunities within your Microsoft environment. By the end of the session, you'll walk away with 3 to 5 high-impact use cases and a clear path forward to start implementing AI with confidence. This isn't about hype. It's about clarity, focus, and practical outcomes. Whether you're just starting your AI journey or want to accelerate real results, this workshop gives you the strategic direction you need, all at no cost, in just a couple of hours. Ready to unlock real AI value? Go to ecleva.com AI workshop to reserve your spot. We'll tailor the session to your business goals and challenges and help you chart your next steps with confidence. Let's make AI work for you. See you in the workshop.